Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Zoom on your iPhone and jumping straight into the meeting. Sign in or join with a meeting ID or link. This saves time and ensures the correct host permissions. Once done, grant camera and microphone access so others can see and hear you. Make sure notifications are allowed for quick invites. If you need chat only, mute video and mic immediately to reduce bandwidth. These steps get you into the call fast and set the app to behave correctly. You now manage the meeting experience. Tap View to switch between speaker and gallery, which helps you focus on the speaker versus everyone. To see shared slides clearly, pinch to zoom or double-tap the shared content. This improves readability without leaving the app. Use the More menu to change virtual background, start local recording if permitted, enable live transcript, and send reactions. These options control appearance and accessibility. Make sure to test audio using the Test Speaker option if something sounds off. You finish by tapping Leave or End Meeting. Confirm whether you leave just yourself or end for everyone if you are the host. Before exiting, check settings to adjust meeting defaults. Auto-enable mute on join with video off, and manage notifications. If something goes wrong, a common fix is to toggle audio output. Switch from iPhone speaker to wired or Bluetooth headset, and if needed, force close and reopen Zoom. This often resolves camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.